In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can deploy Google AI Studio app or project on Vercel. First, you will need to open up Google AI Studio, then click on Build your apps and select the app or website which you want to deploy on Vercel. From here, once you have the app loaded, you will need to sync it to your GitHub account. So click on Sync to GitHub, and it is just going to ask you to sign into GitHub. Once you have signed in, then it is going to create this repository on GitHub, and it is going to look a little something like this once you open it up. And once you have synced your GitHub account to Google AI Studio, we can go to Vercel. From here, we will click on Add New Project. And again, you will need to sync it, Vercel, to your GitHub account. Once you have synced it, then find your project from within GitHub and you want to click on Import. Once you click on Import, then you can set a name for it here and you will just click on Deploy. Once you click on Deploy, it might take a few minutes to deploy. Here you can see the project and the progress which it is making. And that's basically how you deploy a project on Vercel from Google AI Studio. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.